You can explain also when the Russia tried to occupy your country,
Okay.
and German also. Two big countries want to control Poland in World War II.
Oh no.
Saya mengajak dia untuk menceritakan bagaimana negaranya itu pernah diserang oleh dua negara yang besar pada masa Perang Dunia Kedua. Pertama adalah Soviet,
Yes, Soviet. And Nazis,
Soviet,
Nazis.
yaitu Rusia sekarang, yang dulu adalah
Nazis.
Nazi, yaitu dari
Nazi.
Jerman. You can
Yeah.
talk.
Oh, I'm not sure if I'm the best person to talk
I
about
know
it.
your country. Saya tahu negara.
Because history I had last time in first high school.
Ya,
Yeah, but so Nazi had planned to occupy Poland, and I don't remember exactly, but they thought that they can like took all Poland in one day or 1 week, but Poland was strong and still like 1 month. And what I can say more about it? What are you talking about
Soviet
history?
Union.
Yeah, so for example, with Soviet, we had this problem, yeah, that after Second World War, Poland was independent country, but Soviet was like not like government, but the government had connection with Soviet.
Ah.
1989. So 1989, yes. So it was time when when we have propaganda, for example, when people have like special paper to buy anything. So we have like a long queue to buy anything. People try to like be against, but it was hard. And what I can say more? Yeah, also from Polish history, but it was like 3 centuries before it was that Poland was separate for different countries, and Poland wasn't on the map like 123 years. And after First World War, we started Poland again.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all. Please, not more questions about
I make it
history.
short. Ya, pertanyaan saya tadi itu membuat dia harus mengingat pelajarannya di masa SMA katanya. Jadi dulu itu pada masa Perang Dunia Kedua itu ada rencana dari Jerman untuk menguasai Polandia, dan Jerman berpikir Nazi ya. Oke, Nazi pada zaman dulu you are afraid of Nazi, but in Indonesia we eat nasi. Saya kasih hiburan dia. Orang-orang di Eropa itu takut sama Nazi, anunya Hitler. Kalau di Indonesia nasi dimakan. Wah, you got it now. Too late. It's okay.
Nazi, not Nazi.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Dan Jerman berpikir pada waktu itu bahwa dia biasa menguasai Polandia dalam 1 hari. Tetapi menurutnya, itu tidak bisa. Ya, they couldn't conquer Poland in 1 day.
Yeah, but they make it in the end. Like Poland in the end was like occupied by Germany.
Ya, meskipun pada akhirnya Polandia itu ditaklukkan oleh Jerman. Yang itu adalah Pak Hitler namanya pada waktu itu. Dan yang kedua adalah dari Soviet Union. Tahu Soviet Union? Uni Soviet. Yang sekarang disebut Rusia. Mr. Vladimir Putin. Nah, itu. Ya, itu juga menguasai, dan pada tahun 1989 dia masih until 1989 you still have connection with Soviet Russia.
That we were independent, but in the same time we couldn't change anything.
Oke, sampai tahun 1989 dan dia kemudian merdeka. Sebelum sampai 89 itu mereka selalu punya hubungan dengan Rusia ya. Soviet Union move to Rusia. Dulu Soviet, Uni Soviet, dan kemudian disebut dengan Rusia. Oke?
And also like another fact, so like during Second World War, like Warsaw is capital city, was almost all destroyed, like all buildings. It was, I don't know like how many percent, like 80, 90, but people rebuilt. So now like Warsaw it's still our capital city, but during war it was like almost all destroyed. Okay.
Moment. Pada masa peperangan tersebut, seperti kita alami di Indonesia pada waktu itu Polandia hancur sehancur-hancurnya. Building, bangunan-bangunan itu tak bongkar-bongkar. Dia rata dengan tanah, dan sekarang dia sudah bangunannya sudah hidup kembali. So that's why you can go to university because you have buildings now. Dan dia juga bisa ke universitas karena ada gedung-gedung sekarang kan.
In different city.
Yeah.
Yeah. I study in different city, but yeah,
Ya itu di tempat yang berbeda. Ya.
it's close.
Asli. Ya, oke, come on, go on.
Okay, so another fact that before Second World War we had big Jewish society in Poland.
Ah.
Yeah, this is like quite big fact from Poland.
Yeah.
Because Nazi, of course, they were like anti-Semitic, so they built ghetto in big cities to close people there. And also in Poland, but not only in Poland, but Nazi built like work camp, like
Camp, concentration camp.
yeah, concentration camp. Yeah. So like a lot of people was killing there.
Oke. Fakta yang lainnya sebelum Perang Dunia Kedua itu Nazi Jerman adalah antisemitik, maksudnya membenci orang-orang Yahudi dan mereka adalah orang-orang yang dikejar dan dimasukkan di kamp konsentrasi, tempat dibantainya orang gitu katanya. Dan itu juga terjadi, it happens also in Poland.
Yeah.
Dan itu juga terjadi di Polandia. Oke?